Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by adding the image directly into the 3D view. In Blender, press Shift+A and choose Image Right Arrow Reference or Background. This creates an image plane you can position instantly. Once done, align the view and scale the plane to match your scene using S and G. Make sure to open the Shader Editor and UV Editor to see how the image maps. You will need these tools for texture control, so switch workspaces if necessary. Now convert that image into a usable texture on a mesh. Assign a material to the object, open the shader editor, add an image texture node, and load your file. Connect it to the principled BSDF base color. If your image wraps a model, enter edit mode and unwrap UVs with U right arrow unwrap or use Smart UV Project for quick results. Once unwrapped, fine-tune the UV layout in the UV editor. This controls how the 2D image sits on the 3D surface. Finish by checking renders and making small tweaks. Switch to rendered view, pick EV or cycles, and adjust material roughness or add normal maps to match scene lighting. Once you see the image integrated, bake or pack images if you need portability. If things go wrong, colors shift, seams show, or image is blurry, pause and inspect the UVs and image texture node. Confirm color space is sRGB for color maps and non-color for data maps.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.